Madalas nating marinig ang Rome Statute ngayon. Ano ba yun? It is the international treaty that created the International Criminal Court. I am Mona Magnovelus. I hunt down ancestors and chase fascinating stories in Philippine history. In December 2000, the Philippines signed the Rome Statute. At dahil complicated siya, maraming kailangan gawin ang isang bansa para consistent yung local laws natin with the international treaties that we intend to sign. In 2009, Republic Act 9851 was enacted, defining and penalizing crimes against humanity, genocide, and war crimes. It also introduced the principle of command responsibility, protection for civilians and witnesses, and reparations for victims. This law laid the groundwork for the Philippines to align its domestic legal system with international standards. The sponsors of this law in the Senate were Richard Gordon, Miriam Defensor Santiago, and Cheese Escudero. In 2011, the Senate was finally ready to make the Philippines a state party to the ICC. The Senate vote was decisive. 17 senators voted in favor. Those who voted for the ratification of the Rome Statute were, in alphabetical order, Edgardo Angara, Alan Peter Cayetano, Pia Cayetano, Miriam Defensor Santiago, Jinggoy Estrada, Cheese Escudero, Teofisto Gingono III, Gregorio Honasan, Panfilo Lacson, Ferdinand Marcos Jr., Sergio Osmeña III, Kiko Pangilinan, Coco Pimentel, Bong Revilla Jr., Tito Soto, Antonio Trillanes IV, and Manny Villar. The lone dissenting vote came from a martial law veteran and then Senate President Juan Ponce Enrile. Noynoy was already president, so he did not vote, but the votes of the grayed-out senators were not recorded in the resolution number 57. In the same year, Lauren Legarda, chair of the Foreign Relations Committee and the sponsor of the bill, facilitated a Senate briefing with ICC President Judge Sang-Hyun Song and later personally deposited the instrument of ratification at the United Nations headquarters in New York. The Philippines became the 117th state to join the Rome Statute system. By joining the ICC, the Philippines committed itself to a global system of justice designed to hold accountable those who commit the gravest crimes: genocide, crimes against humanity, war crimes, and aggression. It meant recognizing that sovereignty does not shield perpetrators from responsibility and that victims deserve protection and reparations when their local system fails to provide them. So, bakit tayo umalis? During the Duterte administration, nag-iba ang political climate. In March 2018, 2 years into the administration, the Philippines formally notified the United Nations of its decision to withdraw from the Rome Statute of the International Criminal Court. Ang sabi ng sulat na pinirmahan ni then Foreign Affairs Secretary Alan Peter Cayetano, the decision to withdraw is the Philippines' principled stand against those who politicize and weaponize human rights. The Philippines' exit from the ICC took effect in March 2019. Adhering to the international justice system is important because it strengthens the rule of law, ensures accountability even for powerful leaders, and affirms the Philippines' place in the global community that values human rights. It is a reminder that justice must be universal and that no one should be above the law. O, diba?
Meow meow.